Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will discuss about data cleaning. So do you know what is data cleaning? Data cleaning is the process of finding and removing errors, inconsistencies, duplications, and missing entries from data to increase data consistency and quality, also known as data scrubbing or cleansing. Steps in the data cleaning process are: 1. Removing duplicates. 2. Removing irrelevant data. 3. Standardize capitalization. 4. Convert data types. 5. Handling outliers. 6. Fix error. 7. Language translation. 8. Handling missing values. Why data cleaning is so important? Real-world data is noisy and contains a lot of errors. They are not in their best format. So it becomes important that these data points need to be fixed. It is estimated that data scientists spend between 80 to 90% of their time in data cleaning. Data cleaning tools. 1. Microsoft Excel, one of the popular data cleaning tools. 2. Programming languages, like Python, Ruby, SQL. 3. Data visualization, to spot in your data set. 4. Proprietary software, like OpenRefine, Trifactor, etc. Benefits of data cleaning: avoiding mistakes, improving productivity, avoiding unnecessary costs and errors, staying organized, improve mapping. Data cleaning process. The steps of data cleaning process are: first, scrub for duplicate. Second, scrub for irrelevant data. Third, scrub for incorrect data. Fourth, fix structural error. Fifth, handle missing data. Sixth, check the outliers. Seventh, standardize. And the last one is normalize. Methods of data cleaning. The methods of data cleaning are: clustering, ignore the tuples, fill the missing value, binning, regression, usage of data cleaning. The usage of data cleaning are: data integration, data transformation, data migration, data debugging. Do you like it? Hope you enjoy this post. Tell us what you think in the comment section, and please subscribe my channel.